This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring your account is signed in and calendars are syncing. This avoids missing entries. Once done, open Outlook's calendar view using the calendar icon or Ctrl+2 so you're in the right workspace. Make sure the folder pane is visible and scan for My Calendars, Shared Calendars, and Group Calendars. This first step gets everything in sight and ready to add. If a calendar is missing, check the account permissions now so you don't stall later. Next, add the calendars you need. Right-click a calendar folder and choose Open, Add Calendar, or Subscribe depending on your Outlook version, from Address Book for colleagues, from Internet for Ike's Links, or from Rooms/Shared Calendars for Teams. Select each calendar so it appears in the side list. Once visible, click the arrow or overlay button to stack calendars into a single combined view. This helps you compare schedules instantly. Make sure color coding is distinct so events don't blend together. To finish, tweak display options. Set calendar colors, confirm time zone settings, and switch between side-by-side and overlay modes depending on clarity needs. If a calendar won't appear, verify sharing permissions, ask the owner to resend access, or re-add via address book. If events still fail to sync, clear the Outlook cache, restart the app, or use Repair Account in settings. One key troubleshooting tip. Toggling the calendar off and on often forces a fresh sync and resolves most visibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.